Hello from Hyperledger Global Forum in Dublin. I'm delighted to be joined by Shingo Fujimoto, Project Manager at Fujitsu. Hello, Shingo.
Hello.
Shingo, warm welcome to Dublin. Maybe you can introduce your role at Fujitsu and the work you do there.
Yeah, my role in the Fujitsu is a project manager, the technical lead of the Hyperledger, the related open source development, particularly in the Cactus. That is a new name, Cacti, for the interoperability, to improve the interoperability between the different type of the DLTs.
Fantastic. I know we're going to speak a little bit more about interoperability of various projects and various pieces on Project Cacti, but there's one to particularly colour you were going to share with us today, which is Project IHI, the Environmental Climate Change Project. Could you maybe explain what that project is for our audience, please?
Yeah, the purpose of the total project is the common or worldwide problem to resolve the issue of how we can reduce the CO2 emissions. And that our project, collaboration project with IHI will help into the carbon offset trading will result to the reducing the carbon emission as the cross-industry collaborations.
So we know the importance of sustainability, carbon footprint, climate change, but why is it important now to use interoperability with Hyperledger Cactus or Cacti to solve this problem?
Yes, so the currently the carbon offset is just starting, but that is not based on the proof based. Right. So on the other hand, each company had a certain secret as a business, so they do not want to share all the information. However, to the good things is using to the blockchain, allowing to such a control as a governance and openness. So I think to because of the interest is raising from the worldwide, the using to the blockchain is very getting matured. So that is a good timing for both the social change and technology maturity meet to the exact the right timing.
Oh, fantastic. Maybe if you could elaborate a little bit more, Shingo, on how it works and the different folk involved in this interoperability would be great for our audience.
Yeah, for our particular project case, we had in the beginning of each industry made a choice of the different DLTs. For example, like a column or fabric, in both of the same umbrella of the Hyperledger. However, as a technology restrictions, that they cannot be communicate each other. But with using the Cacti as the solution for to ease the interoperability system could be the integrated securely. So now that we can be built to both making the record of the climate emissions and also the proof of the transferring to the carbon offset. That was what we did during our project.
In terms of the project, and just some final questions on the benefits and particularly when you look back on the project, is there a particular benefit of this project or a particular insight you want to share about how it came about to make a success?
Well, I think that is difficult to be explained in the short. However, in the short word, that makes it easier to collaborate with different companies who had different infrastructure and their willingness. Mm-hmm. However, the carbon offset or the climate change is a worldwide problem need to be solved. So I think the cactus, using the cactus or promoting the use of the cactus will help to the more player is coming to the same initiative. Even they are the rival in the particular industries.
Great. So we've got two more final questions. So what next for the project and where can people find out more?
I think that the current initiative is only applicable for the Japanese the community, but as you know, the climate change is worldwide, so the using to the popularity of the or the large the size of the community of the Hyperledger. We want to invite to the other player in Europe. That is the first target for our potential partners.
Fantastic. And where can people find out more information about the project, Shingo?
Yeah, I think the Fujitsu and IHI had a joint the press releases with name of the Hyperledger, and that is our first contact. But I think to the Cacti is a project for we are planning to publish to all the collected of the past the POCs as a collections. So please see, watch, keep your eyes on our active future action of the Cacti project.
Oh, fantastic. So just one final question. Here we are, I'm from Japan, here in Dublin with the Hyperledger community all getting together. And you're very active in Hyperledger, very active technical ambassador and champion of the community. If there's one value from the Hyperledger community you wanted to share with our audience that you get from being part of this community, what would it be?
Yeah, I think blockchain world is somehow special from or different from the other industries because of the blockchain cannot be allowed to use the proprietary solutions. Basically all the people need to be used in the same technologies. So Hyperledger is the place to actually share the code and the implementations and mind. So I think that this is an ideal place to collaborate to such a climate change or other social problem to be solved. So I think that many people should come here.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much for being so generous with your time. Congratulations on your project. Enjoy your rest of your time in Dublin. Thank you, Shingo.
Thank you.